Good morning, America. It's actually really nice outside. Wow, really impressed. If I can even speak English. We're going up that building today, that big one right there, Empire State. We're going up it, and I don't know where the viewing platform is. I would assume like here or like here. And yeah, we're gonna go up and have a look. Hopefully, I assume that's the plan at least. And the weather looks pretty nice to actually see a fair distance. So hopefully it's lovely. And yeah, get ready to see some pretty views from the top of the Empire State. For the record, I don't go to Starbucks, I don't drink coffee, and I don't drink tea, and that's pretty much it. But we went to Starbucks because we're in America and Lily wants me to try it. And I got this pink, what's it called?
The strawberry frappe.
That wasn't that difficult, I was expecting like 4 names.
It has another name, but I don't know. It like a grande, serious strawberry
Ariana?
frappe.
We'll see if it tastes nice, but on the way to the Empire State Building, and it's freezing cold, so I have my phone away. It's really goddamn cold, but this tastes nice. Let's Psycho Man building stuff, and there's King Kong, and then the other gorilla. Ready. Okay, we made it. Here's a montage of everything we can see up here. So damn cold. I'm gonna get off roof. Okay, quickly finish montage. Like negative 40 degrees, it's so damn cold.
Hello there.
Wow, GoPro. End result of this giant building is it's really, really cold upstairs, but it looks great. Oh my god, the Simpsons have been here, plus a bunch of other less famous people. There's the usual Kong, and there's Blob Kong.
That's your phone, and that's Mum's phone.
Got every kind of merch in here, but this is the best.
Gorilla poop?
It's
actually chocolate covered sunflower seeds. I think I preferred gorilla poop.
Yeah, just actual poop would be nice. We got to get something, so I'm getting this mug. Shot glass with the actual gorilla in it? Yes, I know.
I like the fact that you don't get a full shot though.
Yeah, it just like stops you from pouring that.
That is.
Kody. Okay, we made it out of the Empire State Building. Look, come back. No, come back.
Right.
And now apparently we're going to see the basketball tonight. These guys, who apparently suck at the moment, but I mean, it's the NBA, they can't be that bad, versus the Timberwolves. And yeah, pretty keen. We're just going to see if we can get some tickets, and hopefully that all works out. Plus, we haven't eaten breakfast, so we're both about to like pass out. So food is definitely the agenda as well. Wow, there's for security at this place because there's Sesame Street playing. It's crazy, man. Out of all this boring basketball match, the Lego. That's what we need.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Or that big finger. Back at our favourite place, Whole Foods, the one that's not insane.
The good one.
The good one. And we just saw like 5 cop cars out the front because some a-hole pulled a fire alarm in this place, so it's being arrested. Breakfast. Lily, I didn't know you had your own brand of chocolate.
Smells good.
Food was delish. We also got some Lily's chocolate just for banter. It looks lovely outside. Like, it looks kind of grey, but the sun is actually out, so like you can feel its warmth.
and it's great because it's freezing in New York, and I don't like freezing temps. So we're just back in the room. Gonna have a nap. Okay, no, we can't have another nap because otherwise we sleep till 6 p.m. We miss everything. But we're going to some place called Century 21, I think, shopping place. If you're from America or at least the New York area, you might know. Apparently they just have really good like sales and stuff, so it really wants to go shopping. So that's what we're gonna do. And then basketball tonight, which I'm super keen about because I've never been to an NBA game, and I am keen as hell. The subway looks just as shitty as our public transport. Yay!
To be honest, it looks a lot shittier.
I've decided this place is way trashier.
Okay, future editing Kody. I have no idea what happened to the clip that gave context to the next clips, but we went from this hotel before we went to Century 21 to go to this marshmallow place that Lily found on Snapchat because it looked really cool. And yeah, here it is. Okay, we finally made it to this marshmallow place. It was a little interesting on the way in. I'll explain that later, but we got some cool marshmallows, some s'mores, and I got a hot chocolate, which is apparently amazing. I haven't tried it yet. And some more marshmallows. Look how thick. S'mores are tasty. Oh my god. Okay, so I got a hot chocolate with a marshmallow in it, and oh.
And the marshmallow is peanut butter jelly time.
Yum. What's this one?
That is a s'mores marshmallow. Try it. Not as good as the actual s'more, is it? But still pretty damn good.
It's covered in chocolate. I'm rating it a bit more.
Full chocolate achieved.
I like chocolate. Just chocolate.
It's goddamn hot. Okay, our final marshmallow. Rocky Road.
You look bored. This freaking marshmallow and this chewing.
I mean, Rocky Road already has marshmallow in it, so it's just like eating a really marshmallowy Rocky Road, which is great.
Okay, it's finally not boiling temperature. Go.
It's very rich. Oh my god.
I mean, look at it. It's got a marshmallow in it, and it's just full chocolate.
It's got a good flavor.
Okay, squish marshmallows. You were interesting. Goodbye. The place just literally looks like a murder scene. What is this? Okay, it's cold, but I want to show this quick view. Just like, ding. Anyway, come forth.
My hair is cooked because it's freezing cold, so I need to wear a hoodie all the time. We're in that Century 21, and apparently there's like 70 to 80% off every brand name thing on the planet. So let's see if we can find something we want.
For example, pink Timberlands. Casual shoes. Yeah, no. I'm goddamn shook. This thing, I don't understand jewelry, okay, for men mostly. This thing looks like a child made it. It cost $20. Heavily discounted $20.
It was originally 36.
I made better shit when I was 4.
Quickly just grabbing some snacks to go, and then we're going to do my first NBA basketball game all day. This place is huge. Okay, we made it to our seats, so they're super high, but like really nice close, because people who are below us are sitting further back and are paying way more money, which is ridiculous. But also on this big screen they have in the front, they have an oblivious cam, which is just hilarious and just straight up bullying.
It is, but I just wanted to say, like, if you show them all those seats back there are behind us, but like, why are they paying more?
We're on the highest tier, but we're way closer than people who are 3 or 4 tiers below us, and they're paying at least double. Like I think the seats on the lowest tier below us is like 200 plus, and they're fully back.
The seats.
I don't care about being high. I can still see everything. That's the court. Like, it feels further away in the camera, but for me, I can see everything there.
and you have that big ass screen as well, which is where they're just straight up bullying people here.
Bullying it.
For example, they have a timer. There we go.
She did really well.
Yeah, that was only like 10 seconds. That literally gone for a minute.
Yeah.
And the screen, my camera is not dealing with just camera quality and lighting, but yeah, all these people here are paying like $200, and we're just up here closer than them for like 80. It's great.
Secret sauce or whatever, secret stuff.
Johnny, give it a ride. Let's see what you got.
Fourth quarter time, my dudes. The Timberwolves lead by 11.
That's the end of the ball game. The final score: Minnesota 115, Knicks 104.
Well, that's the end of my first NBA game. Pretty damn awesome. But that was a pretty damn amazing night. It's the first NBA game I've ever watched. I've actually wanted to watch an NBA game since I was like 10, 8 probably, since I started playing basketball when I was a kid. And never made it to America to see one. So that's pretty awesome. First time to go see one for myself. It was pretty mint game. It's pretty close for like the first 2 quarters. They got behind by about 10 points for the rest of the game, but they had a bit of a what's it called? A bit of momentum for the fourth quarter, and the crowd got behind them. Apparently the Knicks aren't doing well. Not that I follow the NBA anymore because it's not free to air TV, so I never get to watch it anymore. But yeah, apparently they're falling behind. So all the locals are like, "Oh, you're seeing the Knicks play? They're not doing well." But no, it's actually pretty enjoyable to watch. I didn't know Derrick Rose had been transferred to, what's it called? Swapped to the Timberwolves, which is pretty damn awesome. We got to see Derrick Rose, big name there. Though he wasn't playing much time, probably played about half the time. He was the leading scorer, I'm pretty sure, for the Timberwolves, which is pretty damn awesome. Very awesome to watch. And yeah, it was just pretty cool to finally see an NBA game. And yeah, that's probably the end of this vlog, my dudes. It is actually probably the earliest I've ever edited a vlog in America. I think it's not even 12 o'clock yet. So I hope you guys did enjoy this vlog. It was an awesome day. Feel free to leave subscribes and the likes down below. Leave any comments you want down below. If you watch NBA or follow NBA, leave your favorite team or player down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for tomorrow's daily vlog at 7 p.m, which will be our last full day in New York City. And yeah, till tomorrow, have a great day. Peace.